So we got Holy Shift, got his hair. He's loving it.
Yeah.
Are you loving your new haircut?
Love it.
Nice.
Thank you, man. Really? Wow. I'm excited.
What's up, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're here with Cyclefanatixx and Holy Shift. They came to visit me here at the barbershop, get some shaves, and check out the bikes, man. Look at that. Holy Shift, Holy Shift. There you go. Nice. Hey guys, we're here with Holy Shift and Cyclefanatixx. This is the first time I ever met him, so what's up?
We see each other a lot in the vlogs on YouTube, but we never met.
Yeah.
Nice to see you, man.
Nice,
really.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is his bike. What year is this?
2020, electric light standard.
Oh, yeah. Very nice. Very nice. We got Holy Shift here.
Gray
We got Cyclefanatixx. Very nice.
And my Electra and John's road glide over here.
We got John here from Cyclefanatixx. What's up, John?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Nice.
What's going on?
Came to visit here at the barbershop.
You gotta visit. Visit.
All right, we're here at the barbershop. They're doing some video right now. I got Sandy from Holy Shift, and we got John from Cyclefanatixx. Nice. They rolled out here. The weather is about how much the weather right now? Like 35? 35 degrees or something?
Or maybe a little lower.
Okay.
32, so we look cool.
Okay. Nice.
Let's head on inside.
Yeah, we got Marvel in the building. What's poppin'?
Oh, Johnny boy, what up, man? Marvel kid in the house. What's up? What's up? How you been? How's everything? Chilling?
Nice to meet you.
What's up?
Sandy.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, I see you before.
What's up, kid? What up, man? What's going on?
What's going on?
Zan took the mustache off.
Yeah.
Don't worry, got no style. Nice, man. got Holy Shift, got his hair. He's loving it.
Yeah.
Are you loving your new haircut?
Love it.
Nice.
Thank you, man. Really? Wow. I'm excited.
Nice.
And we're all going home. Thank you so much, guys.
All right, man. Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you so
Later.
much.
Nice meeting you, Sandy.
Same. Bye.
Think about it.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I want to do a close-out video. Thank you for following. Make sure you follow Marvel Kid here. Ooh, Simpson helmet. Thank you for coming by the barbershop. I want to thank John also.
See you guys later. Thanks, Camilo.
Follow him,
You're the man.
Cyclefanatixx. Got a crispy. Check out a crispy. And I want to thank Sandy also.
Thank you, man.
Holy shit.
Holy shit.
You know my wife loves saying that like all the time.
Holy
Yeah.
shit.
Thank you for stopping by. He also got a haircut as well.
Thank you so much.
Looking good. All right.
Fun.
All right. Thank you guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. All right.
Thanks, brother.
Peace.
Appreciate it.
I'm about to take Camilo's bike for a ride.
Word.
Ooh.